Hello, 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 Procrast creators, and welcome back. I know I've been out of the game for like 2 months making masses, taking over my life, but I am claiming my life back today, and I am showing you guys a new product. It is, and this is you can't see the box over here on the side, but there is a box that we're going to do an unboxing for the new Sawgrass SG500 Sublimation Printer. So we're going to do that today. But before I get started, of course, you know, I want to thank you so much for being a part of this channel, by watching, by clicking on the things in the description box below that helps you get some of the products that I show you guys, by liking these videos, and by giving your comments and feedback. So I just thank you so much for it all. And now that I've said that, please like, subscribe, hit that bell if you have not. Now let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this. I'm trying to do this by myself with this big old box. Just know I got this actually from the heat transfer warehouse, and I did it as a bundle, so there should be some other things in this box that you won't see right away. But I'm gonna go ahead and just get everything out of the box, and then we'll get a little closer take and talk about some of the things that we see. So that's interesting. That looks kind of cut already. So exciting! Right, let me put my knife. Alright, so let's see how I'm going to do this with my one person. Here's what we see right now. These are just some sublimation sheets that, like I said, came in the bundle. I should have a few of these. But they are 8.5 by 11 sheets and 8.5 by 14 sheets. So we can actually use this when we get it out of the box. They put the safety info tape to the top. Cords are on the side. Get some of the styrofoam off. Also just sitting down in there is, I guess, the ink kit. So, or installation kit. I shouldn't say ink kit because I don't know, but it looks like it's ink. And then we have the actual printer itself. It doesn't look like anything else is in this box. So. Alright, so like I said, it doesn't look like it's much to it. Our safety stuff is here, cords, and the ink. So, kind of put it outside. I don't want to break it before I get to use it. So here it is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Isn't it so pretty? Alright, so and of course they put tape over everything. So let's get some of these tape strips off. Goodness gracious. know the reason for some of these pieces of tape because they seem like they take nothing. Alright, so you see we have a tray here. Another tray to catch what you're printing. For your paper. Pretty simple little printer setup, but that is that. Of course, there's no ink in it right now, so as far as this, it gives you a power cord and a printer cable. And then I have 4 different ink cartridges, so that is pretty much that. It looks like these will... Okay, so I just wanted to show you, this is the ink cartridge, or the box that the ink cartridge comes in. So the actual holding space, I don't know the name of this, for the cartridges has a little, let me put this down a little bit, has little guides to let you know black, blue, the magenta, and the yellow, so the order that they go in. Very easy process. There is a of course, this is right side up to let you know that you're putting it in, and there's also a little groove here, and then there's the metal sensors or whatever that you just slide it in its little place, and that's that. You're done with that. So okay, I just wanted to show you that the plug is on the side, and they have a little channel here so that your cord can be guided towards the back. And while I'm okay, so the printer cable, same thing. You could put your cable here, and then you have a channel to keep it, guiding it away from the printer, and you'll be able to close this little door here. So that's pretty cool about that. This little bit is just powering it on. So make sure you guys can see that. So there's that. So excited about this, y'all. Can't wait to use this thing. It is Wi-Fi. So I guess you don't necessarily need to use the printer cable. I don't know what it's doing right now. Loading ink for the first time. Wait, do not touch the machine for 7 minutes. Okay, and it spit a piece of paper out for me. So I'm going to let it do its thing. If it does anything different, I will show you that. And then we will just go from there. But right. Alright, so that's that. It's gone through the 7 minutes. The only thing it says right now is ready, and it's showing me all of the ink levels right now. There's a job reset and supplies here. So, and then if you just hit the supplies button, it kind of just tells you where your ink levels are. So that is that. You have a menu button. You have an escape button here, a menu button here, which is just your counter and your system settings. So I guess if you were ready, you have to use these arrows to navigate through those menus. And under the system settings, you have just general features, your tray and paper setting, your timer setting, interface setting, administrator tools, maintenance, and then direct connection tool settings, which I'm gonna connect look at these because I want to make this Wi-Fi, which I will do later. All right, Procrast creators, the printer is ready and I am ready. So let's hear some projects that you want to do. Leave those in the comments below. I'm probably just gonna do some simple t-shirts to start off, just so I can get the feel of this myself. But you know, I also just bought that new print press, so we'll be able to do shirts and cups and hats. So I'm looking forward to that. You know, maybe even doing a couple of masks at the beginning. Since I'm doing so many masks, I might as well do that. But again, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I look forward to starting these new projects with you. Please go over to procrastcreationdiy.com to check out some of the stuff that we have there. I'm hoping to get back on that as well, getting some articles and showing some projects that we're doing in case you missed anything. So check out procrastcreationdiy.com and stick with us here, and I'll see you all the next time.